example of what's to come. So these are the Google local service ads. And if you notice here, those have a Google guarantee. So basically, you are guaranteed right on top. They show up above paid ads and above the maps. And what this will do is give the customer assurance that they're going to be taken care of with some sort of a money-back guarantee. So that's something interesting. It's something that is expected to come in the near future, and so be on the outlook for that. Be on the lookout for that. So when it's ready for fence and gate, expect some advanced verification. That's what we're seeing for other businesses. So you must have an enhanced verification process. You must have a real physical address. Google will run a background check on you and your company, and it's powered by Pinkerton. Now, here's just a quick little example of what that looks like. So those Google guaranteed ads are going to start showing up like that, and they do look similar to Maps listings if you notice that. Very similar. There's just another view. So with the maps, you do own the search results, because here's a couple things that happen. When you're in the map section, in the top 3, the correlation is that you also get a strong organic listing right below it. So it's kind of a cause and